Hey guys, what's up? For those of you who are new, I'm Haley, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this super cute, flirty Valentine's Day look. I did like a rose gold eye and just like a pinky rosy lip, so I really like the way it turned out. I also am really into this little barrette right here, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave today, and let's go ahead and get right into the video. So I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette, and I'm going to be taking that first shade as a transition shade, and I am just buffing that into my crease. And I've already done my face makeup. This is mostly just going to be an eye tutorial, and then I'll show you the finishing touches. Next up, I'm going to be taking the very next shade in the palette, and I am taking a smaller brush. This is the Morphe M441. And I am slowly buffing this into my crease just so we can get that gradient and slowly deepen it without doing anything too drastic. So I'm speeding up for you here. Just keep blending, guys. So now I'm going to take these two shades, and we're very carefully going to start packing this on the outside corner of our eye. So I'm barely touching, and I am not moving this anywhere because I don't want it to get too dark and too smoky. So you will see that I eventually go in with a different brush to buff this out because I don't want to get any more product. So here I am with that different brush, and we are just buffing out the work we did, and we're starting to get that gradient, as you can see. So this look requires a lot of blending, so just stick with it, keep blending, and it will come together. Now I'm just copying all the shades that I did on top on my lower lash line, so just do that on both sides. And then we're going to be moving into the Colourpop Dream Street palette, and I am taking that rose gold shade at the top, and I am going to pack this on the first half of my lid with this flat brush. It's actually a concealer brush, but it works great for packing on color, so that is what I'm doing here. And this is such a beautiful shade, and it's such a good quality palette, so this is one of my favorite palettes to use for this color in particular. Now I'm just taking the dark brown from that palette, and I'm just giving myself a little bit of a line on my lash line. I'm not going in with regular eyeliner today, and I went ahead and did my mascara off camera. And now we are going with bronzer. This one by Morphe is not available, but I have one linked that is very, very similar, so I'm just bronzing in all of the normal areas. You guys know I love my bronzer, so we are not being light-handed with the bronzer today. Next up, I'm going to go in with this Kylie Cosmetics blush, and this is in the shade Baddie on the Block. This has become one of my absolute favorite blushes, and I've been using this on a daily basis, but I just especially love it for Valentine's Day because it's so pink and just so pretty. And I honestly feel like it kind of blurs my skin, which I don't know if it really does, but I feel like it does, so like I'm all for that. So I'm putting that on the cheeks, on my nose, and I did put a little bit on my forehead as well. So now I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC25, and I am just cleaning up under my eye and just brightening a little bit further. And I'm doing this to my forehead as well and down underneath my cheekbone. Now I'm taking the shade Tickle by Benefit. This highlighter is amazing, and you can get it in a single. You don't have to use it in a palette. But I'm just going to be highlighting my cheeks today, my nose, and my brow bone, as well as my inner corner. And today I decided to also do my Cupid's bow, which I have been leaving out, so I thought that was a nice touch today, and I think I'm going to start doing it again because I honestly really like how it turned out. Alright, now we are preparing for lips. I'm going to be lining my lips today with the MAC Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Whirl. This is one of my favorite lip pencils, and it's just a nice, pretty rosy color. It's a little bit darker than my natural lip, but not too dark to where it turns burgundy, so it's just the perfect rosy Valentine's Day shade. I love it so much, and I am slightly overlining my lips here. I say slightly when I'm literally just drawing myself a new pair of lips, but it's fine. Everything's fine. Alright, and then for lipstick, I'm going in with this BareMinerals liquid lipstick, and I believe it's the shade Weekend. If that's not it, I will put the correct one on the screen for you. But this is such a great formula. When I used to do bridal makeup, I would use that on my brides all the time because it's such a comfortable, thin formula. So this is one of my favorite lipsticks. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Pillow Talk from Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm going to be popping this in the center just for a little bit of a highlight. I just love the way that looks. It gives kind of that ombre effect. So that is what we're doing here, and I'm just kind of patting that in to blend it. Now I'm just taking this Anastasia Clear Brow Gel to tame my brows. I didn't put any additional product in my brows. I did just pluck them though, so they are fresh. But that is all I'm going to do for the face, guys. So now for hair, I did straighten my hair and I kind of flipped it under a little bit for that more retro look. And I'm taking this little diamond barrette and I'm just going to place it right there. And that, my friends, is it for the look. Alright guys, this is the final result. I really love how it turned out. I feel like it's a little bit dramatic, but still wearable. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me a comment letting me know if you liked this video and letting me know what other videos you would like to see in the future. And I will see you next time. Bye!